All right, gang, welcome back. Welcome back to another Checo Forex live stream. I hope everybody had a fantastic day. Pretty quiet day in the markets for me today. Made an attempt to take a gold trade earlier today. We hit stops on that trade, about 35 pip loss. But with that said, let's do a top-down analysis before we get started here. We got candle closures in about 23 minutes or so. And let's see where we're at, right? So I'm gonna keep this short and sweet, right? We're gonna start off on the 4-hour time frame, right? So we're gonna mark our levels right up here. All right. We have our gold resistance and we have this support down here, right? And as you can see, right, we're in this range, after making this nice run up, impulse correction. We got a massive impulse to the top. This was the correction, but then we've been ranging ever since. So I feel like we are gonna break out either to the downside, to the upside. In this case, I'm looking for buys, to be honest with you. But we'll see. I might be taking something here. We can pull back, maybe tap into support, or at least break this low here. Then we can take the flip here. But there is no bottom wick here. So I'm gonna see if we're gonna pull back, right? All right, so take a look at the 1 hour. Let's see what the 1 hour. All right. Right, so these are the levels off the 4 hour, but on the 1 hour, let me just drag this down. This is our level here off the 1 hour. And we have our lows down here. I'm actually gonna use this one as the support here. This is our range on the 1 hour here. So I'm looking at potential buys at this point. I do want to see if a candle can come down, make a wick for this candle here, and we can take a buy entry somewhere down here maybe. But we'll see how it opens up. We might just take it off the rip here, but we'll wait for that candle to close. Let's take a look at the NASDAQ. I'm interested in the NASDAQ as well. No bottom wick on this. Let's take a look at the 4 hour, right? We had a nice drop on the NASDAQ today, so there is a support level here that I'm looking at. It's this level right there. We wicked into it here, wicked into it here, wicked into it here. And look at all these 4 hour candles, right? Strong level. This candle just tapped right into it and bounced off as well. So let's see if we're gonna get a huge bounce up. I think we'll rally back up to this high here, or at least the daily high here. Yeah. So I might be considering a buy position here as well on the NASDAQ. If anything, our stops will be below this wick here. Let's take a look at the 1 hour here. Yeah, this seems about right here. Yeah, look at the wick. We tapped right into that support level off the 4 hour and then kind of just bounced up. We kind of just ranging here, but I think the NASDAQ wants to push up. But I think we can make a little bit of a steeper drop and then pull up perhaps. We'll keep an eye on that tonight and see if we get a move to retest these highs up here. Yeah, I might be targeting this high here or this one here. Yeah, about 20,000, just about, give or take. We'll keep an eye on it. I don't want to take that just yet because there's no bottom wick here. If we pull back down on the 9 o'clock candle, we get a bit of a pullback, get a bottom wick here, I'll take the entry off the rip. Stops will probably be below this wick here. We'll see, gang. We'll see. Let's be patient and wait. And gold's looking good. Gold is hovering just above the support here. We might start seeing the move up. Let me see if I can take a look at this. I want to show. Which one's this? What's this? I'll look at the US oil for a second real quick. So look at the US oil. Wow, I used to trade oil a lot, excuse me, a lot more. But with all this tension in the Middle East, oil might hit $90, man. What are the levels here? Let's take a look. Let's do this top-down analysis right quick here. First level I wanna look at is this level. We failed to break that, right? This level here. And ooh, actually there was a gap here we just filled with this wick. We filled that gap and then pulled back down. Interesting. Okay. Let's see. Yeah, this is off the 4 hour though, so I don't wanna. All right, so this is probably next level here we gotta look at. So this, yeah, see how we pushed up, rejected off that resistance there. If we can get a pullback down to about 73, 72, I might be interested in some buys if we get a pullback. I'll be monitoring that throughout the week. I really think that oil is going to push up a lot further up. We'll be patient. We'll stay out of it for now, and wait to make the move. All right, so gang, we have about 15-16 minutes to candle closures. Let's hang tight, and let's see. We're gonna pull the trigger here on a go buy. All right, just hang in there, and I'll be right back. Okay. All right, gang. We got about 5 minutes to candle closure here, so let's see if we get a move here to take some buys up. All right, gold steady. Markets wait US CPI. Yep. Yeah. Expecting gold to move up, but I don't even know if the Fed is going to be able to cut rates. I don't know. Jobs report was pretty strong, so we'll see how that goes. Nasdaq looking strong to push up as well. All right, we got about 45 seconds here. Let's go. Let's go. All right. Take a look at the 4 hour right quick. Let's see something. Probably gonna close bullish here in the next 30 seconds. Right. Yeah, there's our pull back there. A little further down. All right, gang, I took a buy right here. I took a buy, guys. So I'll set those levels in a second. Let me just take my entry here myself. Dragging. Like, just hold it. Hold on. All right, we're in profit, gang. Stops are gonna be right here, 23.37. 26.37. Sorry. Top of the range, 26.55 is the profit target right up here. Right now we're running about 18 pips profit. I took the wick entry. Once this candle opened up, pulled down, we took the buys right away. Once we take out these highs here from the previous 1 hour, I'll move my stops to break even at that point. Let's see if we can run up. Pulling down. At least we got some volume here. Yeah, Muhammad, gold is has been giving chills, that's for sure. Remember, everything's based on this technical analysis, right? So I'm basing it off this support level. Once this candle closed, when we got that bottom wick, I took my wick entry here. We're in a bit of drawdown, but as you notice, as of right now, this level's still respecting here. So I'm expecting that the 4-hour flip. So if we come down, our stops are right here. So it's about 42, 37. Yeah, it's about a 50 pip stop loss here, so not too bad. If this support holds, once this candle flips and re-breaks its own high here, or in this case, once the 4-hour flips bullish, we should get the drive up. By that time, I'm probably going to break even at the once it breaks its high there. Let me put the info up on this trade here just so everybody can know. In case anybody's joining the stream now, they can know. Go buy. All right. Stop loss 7 and CP is 265. All right, that's our position there. Let's see how it plays out. Gold comes and breaks below support. You know, we're ready to manage our risk right here. That's why our stop loss is there. But again, if we reflip bullish, whether on this 1 hour or later on the 4 hour, it's gone, bro. It's gonna come up here. It's gonna test this resistance here, possibly even this one up here. Come on, Goldie, are we gonna flip? I'm still thinking this thing is gonna retest the top of this range at some point, but I'll tell you this much. You know, we do break below. We do have this support level here, right around that 2630 range, more or less. But once we break, I mean, man, gold can come down to 2590. That's possible, but we'll see. I was hoping that most of that volume would have pushed this up, but let's see. Dímelo, Tico. En sintonía, mi pana. Aquí estamos en una comprita en el oro aquí. A ver si sube esta vaina. See our entry with this entry off the 4 hour. You know, I took the wick entry here, right? Once this candle closed bullish, right? We got a bullish closure on the 4 hour. The candle ripped down. Once it gave us a nice pullback here, I took the wick entry. You know, it drew down a little bit further, but now it's flipping. So the point is that this 4 hour, I'm expecting this one to reflip bullish and then continue to drive up. That's the analysis behind it. You know, now it's all in the hands of probability, right? We wait for our setup. You know, we wait for our trade and our entry to set up, and we execute, right? That's it. You know, the stop loss is below this support level here, below these wicks here. You know, like you see, if I would have put it right at the support, we would have wick. We gotta stopped out because it wicked right in. Sometimes these wicks extend themselves a little bit past the entry, as you can see here. You always put it, you know, give it about 10, 12 pips. That's how I usually do it. And just let it run. It comes down, and on to the next trade, right? But if we get the flip, this should be a very profitable trade if we get the candle to flip. On this setup, we're risking 50 pips, 48 pips to be exact. So 48 pip stops for about 140 pip take profit. There's a pretty good risk reward here. Our spike down. You see we're retesting here. We're gonna break below. How much time do we have? We've got 26 minutes. Yeah, let's see if this 1 hour is gonna close below and break support. And we'll look to manage risk, or is this support gonna hold? Breaking below. Right. And close to stop loss here, gang. Yeah, 24 minutes to this candle closure. So I came back and we broke again. He's breaking through, pulling back up, but we're close. So I'm gonna zoom in on this here. See if we're gonna stay above that support line. Sellers definitely trying to push gold down for sure. All right, so it looks like we got that rejection again. Wick below a little bit, but like I said, these candles are the same. Let's see if this will hold. As long as we're still closing above this support level, well, we should be good. We got what do we have? About 18 minutes to this candle closure. See how it closes up here. Yeah, I'm waiting for that 4-hour bottom wick and then the flip. How's the daily? The daily is bearish. Previous daily closed bearish. Let's see. Overall, the trend is bearish. Look at all these daily candles. All bearish. But again, right, came right down to the support. Look at this wick here. Wick rejection. Wick rejection. Wick rejection. Now we're wicking into it. So this is a very strong support off the daily. Strong support off the 4-hour right here. You see that? And strong support off the 1-hour. So, let's see if it's going to hold this time, right? This could be the one that could finally break below, but we're hoping we get the flip. Our previous 30-minute close respecting. This 30-minute starting to flip bullish here. 15 minutes starting to flip bullish. All right. It's not so bad at the moment. Keep an eye on that candle for now. Drawdown's not too bad right now. We're down about 15 pips currently. It's not too bad. Got 12 minutes this candle closure. All right, starting to pull up a little bit. We're almost at break even here. We're down like about 1 pip. Yeah, we're right around break even here. Anybody's, I always say this in every trade I take. If you're not comfortable, if you don't like the setup, you don't like the entry, this is the time right here. We're right around break even. About 6 pips in drawdown now. This is the time to get out, gang. You can get out at break even. Or wait, maybe it'll pull back down. You can get a better entry if you want to do that. But I'm holding my positions here. Yeah, we're right at break even here, gang. So Feel free to jump out if you don't like the trade. Oh, yo, we're in profit now. Oh, we were. This thing be moving up and down. It's crazy. All right, 11 minutes, gang. Stay patient here, and let's see if gold can flip for us. Hey, there we go, gang. We flip. If we break this current 1 hour high, I'm going to break even. But I want to flip bullish. That means the 4 hour flip bullish. We're currently running, what, 12 pips in profit, gang. 12 pips in profit at the moment. Wow, flip. Yeah, we're running 15 pips in profit, gang. We want the flip. Hey, there you go. You know, flip, flip. You know, flip. Close to flipping. Yeah. 18 pips profit, gang, at the moment. Oh, come on. There we go. All right. Gang, we flip bullish. I went break even. Trade is running, it's running 21 pips. All right, gang, 21 pips profit. We're break even on this trade. W patience. W, I know a lot of us got nervous here, thought we were gonna hit stops there. Came close to our stops, but we survived that survived that bottom wick. Ooh, nice move up. All right, gang, I took part. All right, I took partials here, gang. At snap. I'll get back to you. But I took partials, gang. Let me just get the numbers right. It's moving so fast. I gotta. Like, let me do it like this instead. Yeah. All right. We're gonna get the exact number, gang, for pips. Just give me 1 second, cause I gotta go into my history here. Yeah. All right. All right, gang. Close partials at 24 pips. We're break even. I'm holding my runner. My partials was 50% of my position. I closed half. I was in at a 2 lot, close to 1 lot, holding a 1 lot running now. For now. Once we come up a little further, maybe up to this level here, I'll probably close another half. Sweet. Beautiful. Beautiful trade. Way to hold on to this trade, gang. You know, W for discipline, W for patience, and W for risk management too. You know, stops were good. Stops were just below the support level, below this wick here, and yeah, we came close to getting stopped, but you know, we had to give us some room to move. Excuse me, give us some room to move. And now, I told you guys earlier, once this bottom wick comes, once the 4-hour flips, we should run up. We run up enough. What are we running now? Yeah, we're running about 30, 39 pips. Yeah. So we're up about 39 pips, 40, 41 pips, 41, 43. All right. It's running 40 plus pips here, gang. Beautiful trade. Nice. There we go. Keep it running. Keep it running. It's just running up, gang. Yeah. All right. We're running about 40, 43 pips. Is it 43? Yeah. Beautiful. Gang, W. If you're on stream, you took this trade. I want to see those W's in the chat, gang. It was a fantastic trade. All right, gang. I'm gonna close half of my runner here. Yeah, close it at about. Yeah, close it at 60 pips. So close half my runner at 60 pips here. Just do it like this. Hold on, did it move over? I never know how to type on these things. Partial. There we go. All right. Beautiful, gang. Beautiful. This thing could keep running up, gang. I'm good. I'm holding a 0.50 lot. So I'm holding half my runners. So I closed my first set of partials at 24 pips when I went break even. Then closed half my runner at 60 pips, and then now see if it'll run up to TP or we'll come back at break even. But yeah, I closed about 80% of my position. Beautiful trade. There you go. We broke the previous 1 hour highs. This thing's gonna keep running, gang. This thing's about to keep on running. Dang, this trade is running it's running about 60 plus pips for sure. All right, I'm not closing any more partials, gang. I mean, I already took 80% of my position. I got a small runner. If it runs, it runs. If it pulls back, then it is what it is. But I secured my profits already. Gang, if you haven't taken partials, if you haven't got, at the very least, go break even. Please. Don't let this trade go red. Starting to come right back down. See the importance of it taking your partial. This thing is about to pull right back down. Trying to move up here. All right, nice job, gang. We secured 84 pips on this trade. We're still holding a runner. Looks like it's coming back down though, but very good trade. Got the impulse entry here. Got a little bit, excuse me, a little bit of drawdown, but we got the reflip of the 4-hour candle and made our profits there. So yeah, for those who held on, for those who took this trade with me, just hit me with a W in the chat. And congratulations, gang. Very nice trade. Very nice trade. Required a little bit of patience as well. So let's go back down. Gang, I closed my full position here. All right, close my runner. It's enough for me. All right, gang. Great trade. Great trade. Also staying patient, waiting for the candle to open. Once we got the pullback that we were expecting, like I mentioned, off the 4 hours. So once this candle closed bullish, the new 4 hour immediately pulled down. Once we broke the previous 4 hour lows, we took our entry here, and then caught some drawdown. But yeah, there we got the flip. Look at that push back up, even though it's retracing now. But yeah, 84 pip profit on that trade, gang. Yeah, I'm gonna call it here for me on stream tonight, gang. For my platform members, we will be trading the New York session tomorrow, so stay tuned for that. Yeah, I appreciate everybody that tuned in. We hung out here for a little bit. I hope you guys learned something. We marked up our charts, did a top-down analysis, and we capitalized today. We came out on top, and yeah, that'll be it for me today. So, gang, thanks a lot. I appreciate all of you. Don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button on your way out, and I'll see you guys tomorrow. All right, peace out.